Wow. Let's get all kinds of sounds here. Let's see. Kind of nice. It's cute. Now all those parts, they're half plastic and half die cast. So the, let's see here, the front parts usually, the body part is die cast, and then the parts that actually move in different directions, like the snowplow in the front, which actually I don't think it moves at all. All the other pieces do, are all plastic. Wheels are plastic. So they're half die cast and half plastic. Let's see, will this open? Will this lift up somewhere? I don't think so. Oh, that's kind of disappointing a little bit, but that's okay. We'll go on to the next one. This one does, though. That's cute. They all work. Look at that. All right, what do you think, honey? Think they're cute? You like them too? Okay. Alrighty. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching.